Hey guys, what's up? It's Inraina, and welcome back to Tectonic Finsight. Imagine a world where your fridge orders groceries for you or your car drives you to work. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, that's the power of artificial intelligence, and it's closer than you think. By 2028, the AI market is projected to be worth over $631 billion. We're talking about a massive technological shift, and the companies leading the charge are poised for some serious growth. Today we're diving headfirst into this exciting world and revealing the top 5 AI stocks that I believe have the potential to absolutely explode by 2025. Let's get started. First up, we have the powerhouse that is NVIDIA, a company that's practically synonymous with AI. NVIDIA's bread and butter, GPUs, or graphics processing units. These aren't just for making your games look pretty, they're the brains behind data centers and self-driving cars, two fields where AI reigns supreme. Just look at their 2024 revenue, a jaw-dropping 114% jump. That kind of growth is fueled by insatiable demand for their cutting-edge chips, like the new Blackwell Ultra series they just unveiled at GTC 2025. Analysts are taking notice, with some predicting an 85.5% upside for NVIDIA's stock, setting a price target of $169.47. But hold your horses before you go all in. Remember those tariffs President Trump threatened a while back? Yeah, those could still rear their ugly heads, potentially raising chip costs and putting a damper on demand. NVIDIA controls a whopping 70 to 95% of the AI processor market. So, is NVIDIA a good investment? Their dominance in the AI chip market, coupled with their constant innovation, makes them a very compelling option. Next on our list is a company that needs no introduction: Microsoft. They're not just the Windows operating system anymore. Microsoft has transformed into a full-blown tech titan, and they're going all in on AI. How? By putting their money where their mouth is. We're talking about a massive $80 billion investment in AI data centers just this year alone. This is infrastructure on a scale that's hard to comprehend, and it's all dedicated to powering the next generation of AI applications. Their partnership with OpenAI, the masterminds behind ChatGPT, is driving groundbreaking tools like Copilot, an AI assistant that's changing the way we work. Analysts are bullish on Microsoft's AI prospects, with many giving it a strong buy rating and setting a price target of $501.90. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are whispers on social media, particularly on X, suggesting that Microsoft might be considering scaling back their data center plans due to economic uncertainty. However, even if those rumors prove true, Microsoft's deep moat in software and cloud computing gives them a level of stability that few companies can match. Coming in at number 3, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google. They're not just about search and advertising anymore. Alphabet is investing heavily in AI, and we're not talking about small change here. Try a whopping $75 billion earmarked for AI infrastructure in 2025 alone. This is a clear signal that Alphabet is betting big on AI's potential, and they're spreading that investment across multiple fronts. First, there's Google Cloud, their cloud computing platform that's going head-to-head with the likes of Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. Then there's Waymo, Alphabet's self-driving car subsidiary. But perhaps the most exciting development is Alphabet's collaboration with NVIDIA on something called Agentic AI. Analysts are impressed with Alphabet's AI moves, with some seeing a 31% undervaluation in their stock and setting a price target of $215.92. However, there are whispers in the industry that Alphabet might be shifting some of its AI workloads to cheaper, less powerful alternatives. But even with that caveat, Alphabet's commitment to AI is undeniable. Next up is a company that needs no introduction: Amazon. They've revolutionized the way we shop, and now they're setting their sights on revolutionizing the world of AI. Amazon's AI strategy is multifaceted, but it all revolves around one thing: data. They have an unparalleled amount of data on consumer behavior, and they're leveraging that data to create some truly groundbreaking AI applications. Their cloud computing platform, Amazon Web Services (AWS), is already a dominant force in the industry. They've invested over $100 billion in AWS, and a significant portion of that investment is going towards AI infrastructure. Analysts are optimistic about Amazon's AI prospects, with many projecting a 57.8% upside for their stock and setting a price target of $263.61. However, it's important to acknowledge the potential impact of economic uncertainty on Amazon's AI ambitions. If businesses tighten their belts, it could lead to reduced spending on cloud computing and other AI-related services. But even with that caveat, Amazon's sheer scale, their relentless focus on innovation and their deep pockets make them a formidable player in the AI arena. Last but certainly not least, we have Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, or TSM for short. They're not a household name like some of the other companies on this list, but they play a crucial role in the AI ecosystem. TSM is the world's largest contract chip maker. They're the ones building the advanced chips that power everything from smartphones to data centers, and they're investing heavily to stay ahead of the curve. We're talking about a staggering $165 billion investment in new US facilities, all dedicated to producing the next generation of 2-nanometer chips that will be essential for AI applications. Analysts recognize TSM's importance, with some seeing a 35% undervaluation in their stock and setting a price target of $244.60. However, there's one major risk factor that investors need to be aware of: geopolitics. TSM is based in Taiwan, which has a complicated relationship with China. But even with those risks in mind, TSM's dominance in the semiconductor industry is undeniable. So there you have it. 5 AI stocks that I believe have the potential to deliver massive returns by 2025. NVIDIA, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Taiwan, Semiconductor. These companies are at the forefront of a technological revolution, and their innovations are shaping the future of how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The growth potential in this space is truly enormous, but it's important to remember that no investment is without risks. Factors like trade tensions, economic uncertainty, and geopolitical instability could all throw a wrench in the works. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these AI stocks are you most bullish on? Are there any other companies in this space that you think have the potential to be big winners? Let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, take care and happy investing.